All truth passes through three stages. First, it is ridiculed. Second, it is violently opposed. Third, it is accepted as being self-evident. Talent hits a target no one else can hit. Genius hits a target no one else can see. Treat a work of art like a prince. Let it speak to you first. To live alone is the fate of all great souls. The doctor sees all the weakness of mankind, the lawyer all the wickedness, the theologian all the stupidity. Each day is a little life, every waking and rising, a little birth, every fresh morning, a little youth, every going to rest and sleep, a little death. Just remember, once you're over the hill you begin to pick up speed. The greatest of follies is to sacrifice health for any other kind of happiness. A man can be himself only so long as he is alone, and if he does not love solitude, he will not love freedom, for it is only when he is alone that he is really free. Men are by nature merely indifferent to one another, but women are by nature enemies. A man can do what he wants, but not want what he wants. Satisfaction consists in freedom from pain, which is the positive element of life. Compassion is the basis of morality. Money is human happiness in the abstract. He, then, who is no longer capable of enjoying human happiness in the concrete devotes himself utterly to money.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.